In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account in Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the left side panel and then click the home. As of the moment, I hate to break it to you guys, but Deriv does not provide a direct delete account button. And to permanently delete your account, you need to contact the Deriv support, which can be found on the Help Center. Click on it, and then all you have to do is scroll down until you find the option that says Live Chat for the contact support. From here, just send them a message, type in your message, and press enter. Most of the time, the customer support will be more than glad to assist you with any of your concern, especially if you wanted to delete your account here in Deriv. All I have to do now is wait for the response. And as you may notice, Amy joined the conversation, and these are the steps that you need to do for your account closure. Now, before you delete your account, you want to make sure that you withdraw all your funds, close any open trades, make sure that there are no pending transactions, because once your account is deleted, you may not be able to recover it. And that's it for today's video on how to delete your account in Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.